Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, my room is a mess. So I'm going to be cleaning it up and I have a lot to do. So this isn't going to be a long intro, but if you're new, make sure you subscribe and join the family. And while you're down there, you can give this video a thumbs up if you are excited for summer. And you can turn on post notifications so that you can get notified when I upload, because I've been uploading 3 times a week. So definitely want to hop on and watch my videos. But anyways, I'm just going to be cleaning all kinds of stuff up. I mean, my room is a complete wreck. So, without further ado, let's hop right in. So first up, just like my nightstand, like all of this, I haven't even put up my Easter stuff. So I definitely need to get a hold on this area. So that's what I'm going to do first. So I got my nightstand clean. Now I need to move over. I also cleaned this. Now I need to clean my desk because it's awful. Don't look at it. Okay, now I got my desk done. Now I just need to do my dresser. Okay, so far I've got a lot done. Now I just need to make my bed, clean a couple of things. I would sweep, but I'm not trying to do that in depth of cleaning today. So I think I'm just going to make my bed and clean a few extra things. Okay, I've got everything clean. I think I'm going to give you guys a little skim now. So I made my bed, got my nightstand clean. I cleaned off that little area down there. This area, this is just a mess. I cleaned off my desk, looks 10 times better, and I also cleaned on the floor around here because it was also bad. I cleaned all of this, which it still doesn't look that good, but it's organized. So I also wiped off up here, did a little bit of work inside my shelf, and wiped off up here. So also organized my chair, so everything is clean. So it's a lot later now, but I still have something that I want to do for my room. As you can see, my Polaroid wall is falling down. So I thought I would use some pictures out of this magazine to make a little photo wall. So first we gotta find some photos. So this is the magazine. It's got a couple cool pictures. I think I'm going to use all full-size pictures, such as this one. Just like maybe 8 or so. I don't know, I'm just gonna flip through and find some. Okay, so I got 6. I figure I'll do 2 across and 3 down. So I'm probably going to edit these if I find some cooler ones. Actually, I kind of like this one better than, I don't know. I like a couple a lot. So this one is iffy. Most of them are people. I just like the whole look. I liked this one. I liked the jewelry. This one is okay. Just cool scenery. Zendaya, we stand a queen. She's going up there. Then I have this girl, but I also kind of like apple on the back. I think I'm probably gonna end up doing this one and then this one. So now I'm just going to line up the bad sides and cut it so that it is smooth. So okay, so now I'm gonna try to figure out how I'm gonna arrange them. So think I did decide to use this. I could do those two, and then these two, and these two. Kind of like that. Actually, I think I may want to look for a couple more pictures of like models. I think I may do these. So I like this one of this girl in this yellow dress. So I think I'm gonna use this one instead of the scenery picture. And then I need another one kind of going with the same theme. But I like both of these. But I think I like the sunset one better, so. I'm going to cut these. And I'm going to grab a couple things to hang them up. So first I gotta take my collage wall down, so this shouldn't take too long. So I think I'm going to put these two at the top, followed by these two, and then these two at the bottom. And I'm just going to be hanging them up with some thumbtacks. So obsessed. I love it. I mean, when the daylight's coming in, look how cute that's going to be. The only thing is I might have to scoot these two a little closer together, but now my room is done. My transformation is done. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. So I guess that's all. Kensy.